doing?
Trying to figure out what's going on with this. Trying to figure out what's going on with this.
Evidently, his daughter lives in a different address in the area since the LRT reporting in the RP.
You guys alright?
Yes, sir. We're okay. Thank you.
You driver?
He's the driver.
You guys are okay?
Yeah, we're good. We're good.
What happened?
Well, it's so weird, honestly. I changed lanes. I signaled and changed lanes a while back, actually, because I was looking for a safe place to pull over after it happened. And after I was in the lane, he came in between me and the car that was in the lane. And I mean, it was like he was driving recklessly and just came like right between us.
Did he get you on that side?
Yeah, on this side right here.
Right here.
You could right here knock this plate off and put a dent in the front with this mirror, I think.
Okay. Now, where did this happen?
I don't know, a couple exits, about maybe 2 exits back.
Two back?
I don't know. Yeah, right here.
Yeah.
And when we did stop, you know,
Oh man, he came out like a.
oh my
I
God.
thought he was gonna punch him. He was very aggressive.
Very aggressive. And
Swearing at us.
yeah, upset, obviously.
So we kind of tried to calm him down and say, hey man, this is what insurance is for. You know, it's all right. You know.
So you're in a lane, the other lane, he wants to thread the needle.
Yeah, he was trying to get right through.
Yeah, and he was saying it was totally my fault.
Yeah.
I ran into him, and I was like, no, I didn't.
You got your license and insurance on your truck,
Yeah.
sir? What, get a good cell phone number?
Yeah.
Insurance card?
Yep.
Hey, Gary, I need to get his ID, bro. Sorry. I didn't get his ID, dude. So he tries to thread the fucking needle between 2 lanes, dude, and he fucking sideswipes, and he's being a dick.
Is he?
Said they jumped out on him like he was gonna fight him or something. I haven't talked to him yet because fucking fire was all around him, but I haven't got his ID yet. He looks like a turd.
Okay. I was glad you were there. Yeah. There's that.
All right, so give me a minute and I'll get you a case number. We'll get you out of here.
Okay.
Can you sit in the vehicles or should we stand outside?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let me just check the damage out real quick.
Sure thing.
Yep.
You can go get it.
So,
Yeah, that's kind of where it starts.
I smell marijuana in there. That's why I'm in your car.
That's not a
Hey, back up. Get out of my face. Get behind your back. Get over here.
Let's go, bro. Let's go. We're not going to the hospital. Let's go. Out of the bus.
Documentation like this, man.
Okay.
my fucking car, and he injured me.
Okay, let's go talk about it over here, man.
Okay.
Tell me what happened exactly.
Bro, get out of my car.
It's not an alert, man. That's why I'm in the car.
That's not
Hey, back up. Get out of my face.
not a right for you to search my car.
Come here. Put your hand behind your back right now.
What?
Do not pull away. Do you understand me?
What? Really?
Lay down.
Chill out, dude. What are you doing? Bring it over here. Put your hand.
Okay.
What the fuck?
What are you doing? Stepping to me, huh?
What the fuck is
In my
wrong with-
face?
What
Don't
is
think
wrong
so,
with
dude.
you?
What is this?
Oh, what am I? What the fuck?
What are you stopping the cops for, man?
I did not ask you to get
No,
out of my
I
car.
watched you. I got you on my video
I
camera.
asked you to get out of my car. That's it.
You're being an asshole to everybody.
I'm not.
Yes, you are.
Search over here. Oh. This is paperwork, brother. Ow. This man just hit my car. You know what? What just happened?
You're on ankle monitor too, huh? Wow.
On probation. I'm sure
I'm not on
the
probation.
probation officer's gonna love that.
I'm not on probation at all. So,
They
yeah.
double lock these.
What am I going to jail for? What am I accused for?
We'll let you know here in a few, okay?
Hold on, what am I accused for? What?
You sold in your car?
My car just got
Which
hit
one's
and
mine?
y'all arrested me?
Let's go to my car. Come on.
No. What? What the fuck? All I asked was you to get out of my car after this man hit my car.
face.
Sir, I asked you to get out of my
Let's see if you're
car.
intoxicated. It smells like weed in there.
I'm not intoxicated at all.
Go ahead and have a seat in there.
Go for it. Please go for it.
Okay, have a seat.
Y'all are illegally searching my car.
Have a seat. Have a seat. Put your feet up.
ID, bro.
Push yourself all the way back.
Oh, shit. Holy fuck.
733 Baker got 1 today. 1726.
Hey, Tom! Tom! You got his ID?
Biden's massively irresponsible spending plan has expanded America's money supply, and wealthy insiders.
Fix me. You don't have any injuries.
Any car that goes like
It is hard for me to determine if I am injured at the moment, sir.
So here's the thing. If you say that you have injuries, I'm going to do something different, okay? If you say that you don't have any injuries, then that means that nothing has happened and I can let you drive away.
Sir, I believe I.
But if you're telling me something different, then I have to do something different. So just tell me if you have any
I
injuries.
am telling you that it's hard for me to determine that at the moment. I will have to be able to do that when I go to the hospital after I am released from y'all's custody.
What is your name?
My name is Keelan.
Okay,
It is
Keelan?
hard for me to determine if I'm injured at the moment.
If you're
I
not
have to
injured
go to
from
the-
my officers.
Sir, it is hard for me to determine that at the moment. I have to go to the hospital.
For what?
I just had a car wreck. I was just stabbed in the neck.
I didn't ask you about the car wreck. I asked you if my officers hurt you.
Sir, I called y'all about this car wreck that just happened. I was arrested and detained because of it. I called y'all because I was injured from
And what did I just ask you?
I don't know who injured me or what injured me.
Don't get in my face. I can hear you.
I don't know who injured me or what injured me. I know I sustained some sort of injury.
What?
Sir, I cannot determine that until I go to. I'm not a doctor. I'm not a doctor. I don't know. I just know I need to go to a doctor very soon.
What? Does your car have a cage? Does your car have a cage?
No.
Okay. We got to do paper on him, so we're done. We're
So
done. Which car do you want to put him in?
I'm literally telling y'all that I haven't.
Which car do you want to put him in? Come on.
What have I done? So what have I done? Sir. No.
Grab a seat. Grab a seat. Thank you. Put your feet in. Put your feet in.
Sir, okay, you know what?
Put your feet in the car. I already talked to you, didn't I?
Sir,
Grab a seat. Put your feet in
I
there.
told you that I'm just trying to go home. Someone hit my car and y'all are taking me to jail? Like, come on, G, this shit doesn't even sound right. This shit doesn't even sound right, bro. Someone hit my car.
Put your feet in there. I'm going to tell you what's going to happen. Okay, how can we get off of the highway?
Can I park and lock his car here? You cool with that?
You're going to have to do that, or I can tow it.
Impound it? Oh, look. You want to make? I like to impound it.
So everything's recording. I'm recording everything.
Okay, so we were taking him into the custody. He had his left hand, I had his right. One of the paramedics held his head down. That was not any one of us.
Okay, so he will not tell me if he's injured or not, and if he's saying that he is or he isn't, we have to do something, right? Because I don't know if he's hurt because you guys cuffed him, or he won't give me an answer. So we're just gonna do the paperwork, okay?
Right.
So can we get off the highway and do this?
You want a TO?
Yeah, TO.
I'd really like to not transport him in my car. I don't have a cage.
We have to.
He's gonna go crazy.
You have the key for the ignition.
Where are you gonna put him?
You get a district car?
You can't drive him off the ramp?
Yeah.
Can you do that?
Well, yeah, I can do that. It's just,
If you want to call a district car, call a district car, but we need to get off the highway. We can't deal with this up here. Just bring him to TO and we'll just have to put him in one of those cells right there until we can do paperwork. Do you have everything you need up here?
Yeah.
Okay.
I got his property. Woody's gonna take care of the car for me.
Okay, follow him and go down to TO and put him in one of the cells.